What's up? What? Remember that? You guys remember that? I'm not weird. I used to be a commercial. I know some of you guys are young as hell. What's that? What's up? 9 people. What's good? Sorry, guys. I hit the Cardano bike earlier. Shit. I mean, up in my room just working on my fitness. Fergie Ferg. She even like a thing now? No? God. I stopped listening to music, man. Looking at crypto for 2 years. God damn it. Did I become lame? I'm lame now. In the bear market, I'm going to get hip again. Be on trend and shit? Nah. That's what my wife's for. She's like my stylist now and shit. What's up, guys? 10 people. Today, you will start with GTC laughing. Bruh. Dude does not quit. I gotta admire it. I'm not gonna start with GTC right now. I'll come back for you, though. I'll come back for you. Let me warm up, man. What up? From the 313. Hey, what's up? How you been? Doing good? Good. How's the fam? Chilling? All right. Hashtag working class crypto. Hey, that's what it is, man. Yo, 10 people. What's good? Hey, that's me. That's me. Is that my clone? I got a clone. You guys know that? Nah, just kidding. I never did 23andMe. I ain't doing that shit. Fire. Flames. What's up, Dub? What's up? What up? Gold and silver and crypto. The Holy Trinity. Or the Thrinity. Yo, what's up, Wolfpack? GX. That's an eagle, man. How you typing? It's got feathers and shit. That's impressive. Let's go. 200 plus BTC? You got 200 BTC? Positive side. Hit me with that super chat, baby. Come on, man. Hello. Let's go. 200K plus BTC. Oh, okay. I was like, holy crap. Holy shit. We got some whales up in this bitch. Is it too early to cuss? 3 minutes? Okay, no, I'm good. I think it's like, I don't even know. I don't know. I don't be following all the rules. That's why my channel's small still. Whatever, man. Whatever. I'm a dude on the internet. Crypto love bot NFT dub. When the time comes, will you be selling alts manually, one by one on the dexes, or do you set up automatic sells and take profits on regular exchanges? No, I hold my shit in my hardware wallet always, unless it's like I can't do it in the hardware wallet. That's why, like, a lot of the coins, if it doesn't come with hardware wallet support, I'm like, you know. So like, because guys, like, you know what it is. Like, when your shit's on up an exchange, you're slave to the exchange. I mean, right when everything's going crazy is exactly the time to always fuck up. You know, like, I don't want to go through that. I don't want to be sitting on big fat bags. Just, I can't log in, or some shit happens or a hack happens. Like, no, like, I'm going to hold my shit. I'm going to sell it. You know, that's why I like Kyber, though. For a Kyber network, you can set up buys and sells straight from your hardware wallet. But I got trust issues, man. Anyone who was early in crypto got trust issues. You know that. Or libertarians and shit were like, nah, I'm like, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Don't touch my shit. You know, good or bad, that's what I am. This is who I am now, guys. But I mean, there ain't nothing wrong with like exchanges and shit. Like, that's just me. Y'all are adults. Okay, thanks. I don't know what I did, but thanks, man. I'm scared of the bear market. Don't be scared, man. Don't be scared, man. The hell? This is a wolf pack. Eagle. Look at me, Eagle. Look at me. Look, come on. Eagle. Wolves. We're wolves. We're going to eat. It's going to go up. We're going to eat. We're going to get fat like bears. Go into hibernation. Wait. Pick up some more coins. Go up. Get richer. Next cycle. That's what we're going to do. Guys, pay attention. Just pay attention to the step in front of us. We're going to execute. Execute. That's what we got to do. Don't worry about next year. Don't worry about 2022, don't worry about none of that. Focus on executing. You ain't won yet. We ain't won yet. We got to execute. And then we could be scared. We could cry, whatever. Hopefully we're happy. But come on, guys. This is the thing. It's coming. I could feel it in the air. I could feel it coming in the air. I don't know the lyrics of that shit, but you know what I'm saying. Come on, guys. 16 people. What's good? Where's my pen? I can't be throwing my pen all the time. I keep losing pens. Like, you guys ever had that problem? Like, you know you got a million pens, but where the hell are they? And then, like, I lose my caps, so they dry out. God. I thought I would get past that problem after 5th grade. Let's see. Dub, should I be worried because everyone is so bullish? I mean, look, man. I get it, dude. Like, I get it, guys. You can be scared and stuff, or not even scared. You could be defensive. You could think of, like, contrarian ways. Like, how could I mess up? Like, so you could protect yourself and put plans on the plans on the plans, A, B, C, D, E, you know? But at the same time, it's like, how much of that is, like, low-key PTSD? I said that in my Telegram group. How much of that is low-key PTSD from, like, prior drops? You know, yeah, sometimes bad things happen, and in your life, maybe bad things have happened, but it doesn't mean that bad things always have to happen to you. And in some circumstances, sometimes good things happen to you. Bitcoin's going up. Should I be scared? Should I get out now? Are you scared of good things happening to you? Or are you just trying to be, you know, diligent? Do your due diligence. That's up to you, you know, but like, same thing is like, hey, man, we've been sitting here investing in crypto, planning it for it go up. And right when it goes up, people start talking like that filth aren't filth. Didn't we expect this shit to happen? No. I ain't straying from the 4-year. Dubdigital. You're such a permabull, bro. Yeah, so. Over a long enough time horizon, Bitcoin has gone up and to the right. Riddle me that, Batman. Riddle me that. Hey, dude, nice to see you. Hey, Vincent, you too. How you been? Good morning. Good to see all. Yeah. Welcome, guys. This is Crypto and Coffee. I started off like with a vengeance, throwing shit, yelling. I've been drinking coffee a lot. I don't know what to tell you. Been waking up early as hell, using the Cardano stationary bike. I'm energized, man. I'm getting in shape again. Bears still suck. Let's go pack. I hate bears, man. I hate bears. Get out of my way, bears. I slap a bear. Perhaps too early to dish out questions, but I will leave it here anyway. Anyway, people be hitting me with coin requests right away, so who cares? XRP, missing bull run? No. Zappos 13. No. This is very typical of XRP. Like, XRP did the same thing last bull run in 2017. It did nothing forever. Everyone was like, XRP sucks, stupid bankers, you idiots for investing in XRP. I was one of them. Then all of a sudden, out of nowhere, boom. Keeps going up. Damn near broke my neck looking at that chart, man. This is not atypical. You can look at the chart and see XRP's nature. Goes up hard and fast, comes down hard and fast. Does nothing for a long time. Shakes out people, gets them to capitulate, makes people not pay attention to it, and then boom. And then when it goes up, everyone FOMOs in and makes it go up higher. I don't think XRP's missing a bull run. It's just doing exactly what it did last time. What's up, Zookeeper gang? Gang. Winky, smile face. I like that. Okay, 17 people. We're gonna get serious, guys. You know how I get. You know how I get down, man. It's Crypto and Coffee, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I do a second one live stream Wednesdays, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. That's where I stay. It's loosey goosey. We kick it. This is the Wolf Pack. You know, we're a team. We're a team. We've been investing in this market for damn near like a year plus now, maybe a year and a half. God, time flies, man. You know, this is for the homies. This is for the real ones. We talk about our bags. We talk about new coins. We talk about the news. We talk about macro charts just so we could keep our pulse on the market. That's called alpha. Do you think the peak of the bull run will be around December, January? Some think the bull run will go well into 2022, 2023. Yeah, Vincent, look at my 4-year cycle video. I know you guys are getting tired of me saying that shit, but it's really the same thing. Like, until I see something in the chart, data-driven and technical, that suggests that that bull run will lengthen, I'm not going to count on it. Now, what I am going to do is carry 10% of my bags in Bitcoin into what I consider going to be the bear market in case I'm wrong. If Bitcoin never goes down, that means Bitcoin's going to be a whole hell of a lot. So you don't really need that much Bitcoin to be pretty affluent. You know what I'm saying? That's my rationale. But if it does do what we've seen over the last 10 years, 4 years over valuation and then undervaluation, if it does that, then it makes sense that I'm cashing out like 80, 90% of my crypto, just in case that trend that's shown itself happens again. Probability speaking is it will happen again. Now, everyone suggests that the cycle is going to lengthen. I've said that if it does lengthen, from my analysis on the macro chart, we'll look at it. It's only really been lengthening from cycle to cycle about 2 weeks. So that would put us around the end of December. I'm of the opinion that between early December and somewhere in January, I'm giving myself a error of margin. Bitcoin's going to top. Altcoins, you know, they might lag, they might run with. I don't know. That's my window of capitalizing. But with that said, like, what suggests, technically speaking, that Bitcoin's bull run is just going to extend much longer than it ever has before? Now, I understand people are saying that from a macro standpoint. Oh, yeah, the debasement of fiat currency all around the world, central banks printing shit out of existence, blah, 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 whatever. I get that. That's all narrative based. I get how that could be possible, but from the charts don't really agree with that, right? I guess we could jump right into it. Shit, like, oh, I don't have my charts up. Okay, I got to stretch. Guys. Bitcoin. View. Bitcoin liquid index. Stand up. What's up with shit? I used my 2 jokes already. I can't be doing them again. It's lame. Hold on, I gotta share my screen. Cardio got me effed up, man. Share my screen. Yes. Okay, please. Thank you very much. I'm sharing. Sharing's caring. Cool. Okay, we're here. Bitcoin liquid index, 24 people. What's up? I appreciate you guys for taking time out of your busy schedule to come hang it and kick it with Dubdigital. Very nice of you. Okay, I just want to start off the stream with that. Okay, well, hopefully you guys are getting some energies. I'm feeling energies. I get energy whenever crypto go up. Crypto's been going up. I told you guys around October timeframe, something's going to happen. It's not going to go flatline forever. We're going to go down or we're going to go up. And whichever way it goes, it's just going to get more and more intense as the year goes on. It's gone up. Therefore, based on my previous statements I've been making for the last 5 months, I think crypto is going to go up and it's going to get exaggerated as time goes on. Like I'm saying, man, this is my 4-year cycle chart that I use in my 4-year cycle video. I just been using the same damn chart to track the whole cycle. So, hey, like, I'm being consistent based on my previous analysis. 4 years make up one cycle. One bold line means the end of that cycle and the start of a new, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, Bitcoin went up, corrected on the first, second, third year. Third year starts rising up again to the previous all-time highs hit in the previous cycle. Over like shoots and corrects again. First year down, second year kind of accumulate, third year rising back up. Now we're right above. The only thing that hasn't stayed true, and it hasn't stayed true only because we haven't approached that point in time yet or passed through that point in time yet, is that final blow off that occurs in October, November, December. I think I moved these lines a little bit by accident. My bad. They don't look exactly uniform. Same thing here. We just entered October. We're rising back up to that cyclical high we reached in April. Every single time before, it's overtaken, right? So I'm assuming that end of October, going to November, we should overtake that cyclical high and we'll be in blue sky breakouts, okay? But what about this, guys? Suggests that all of a sudden, let's just say 2017, for example, it just starts going like that. Now, that never happened. That didn't go for 2 more years. It didn't happen here either. It corrected. Like, why would it just start going like this? There ain't nothing on the chart suggesting that. Now, is it impossible? Never. Never impossible. Is it probable? Not exactly. You have to agree with me on that. You have to agree with me on that from a factual standpoint, because that ain't never happened before for the last 10 years. I mean, look at the damn chart. I ain't making this chart up. I didn't make this chart. I didn't draw it up. Nah. This is the freaking Bitcoin price. Hopefully that puts it a little in perspective. Just remember, guys, people can say whatever the hell they want. Opinions are like assholes. Everyone's got one. The only thing is, facts are facts. And if they can't present you with facts that can shake you off your previous, I guess, opinion that should be fact-based, there's no real reason to change your opinion. I am open. I am an open book for any kind of possibility as long as it's fact-based. The only problem is people rarely come to me with facts. Rarely. It's always if, and, or but, or what if, and it's like, hey, yo, man, like, I ain't got no bandwidth for all that shit. Show me the chart. Show me the data. Tell me how the technicals match up with your fundamental idea, and then we can talk. But usually they just approach me with the fundamental idea, and they don't have no technicals to back it up. I can't listen to that. If I listen to every goddamn thing people told me, I would have sold my Bitcoin in 2013. You know, at a certain point, guys, as investors, it's like, whose opinion do you really respect more? Theirs or yours? And if you're always going around respecting someone else's opinion more than your own, well, it's like a self-esteem thing. Why do you take everyone else's opinion more seriously than your own? I mean, you know what I'm saying? That's something that's bit me in the ass too, investing. Like previously, I'm not that old, but like when I was a younger gentleman, like I always listen to other people, and I would like have these thoughts, but I say, nah, that's not true. That can't happen. And then I'd see them play out in front of my eyes. And I just like, one day I just said, like, I ain't never going to question myself again. Like, not because like I'm not willing to hear anyone out. I'm willing to listen to anyone. I'm willing to follow anyone who has a great idea, great evidence to back it up. But like, damn, like if I followed through with all my ideas, I would be like way more well off than I am now. 24 people, what's up? Zoo, what's good? Damn, we already hit a macro chart. Shit. Early birds get the worm. Hey, always, man. I'm waking up early as hell now. Shoot. Do dash chart. Do the dash chart. Yeah, I got you. Okay, you Moonboy Lambos out there. Moon Squad, let me hit you with this. I'm gonna do dash second. I'm gonna do GTC first for the homie who loves that GTC. We're gonna run into the website. We're gonna read through it. We're gonna look at the chart a little bit. It's on Coinbase. To be honest, man. To be honest, let me go back and throw the thing up. Ozan, my bad, man. Names and pronunciations, you should know, are not my thing. No disrespect. He actually put me on to New Cipher. You guys see what New Cipher's been doing? So GTC, you know, based off his track record, you might want to check it out. No offense, man. It's just like, you know, I'm just like not doing, I don't know. Those videos, oh shit. I'm scared of the optics, man. You know, making like dedicated videos and shit, and then like people buying it who just find me and like, you told me to invest in, like, you know. So like, you guys are here. You guys are real ones. You guys have been following me. You listen to my live streams. You guys are the ones who really deserve to know right now. Okay, check it out. New Cipher, $1.51. When he came and talked to me about this shit, it was like 10 cents, like 15 cents. 15 cents. This shit was doing nothing. Then people started hitting me up, like my friends and shit, being like, dude, you seen that New Cipher? I said, yeah, you seen that? Going up a lot. This shit blew up. So you might want to listen to this dude a little bit. I don't know. But that's besides the point. We're going to go back to Gitcoin, GTC, right? Yep. On Coinbase, the shit's been actually rising up pretty good. He's been talking about this for a while. I mentioned it for the last few live streams. Yeah. What is it now? $11? I think you were talking to me like around here, dude. To be honest, 9 single digits. So that's tight. Volume's running up. 100 million coin supply. Circulating supply is 14 million. So there ain't nothing on the market. Just barely over almost 200 million. That's not big at all, to be honest. It's just that it's not tiny. Let's go to the website. 29 people, what's up? Build and fund the open web together. Connect the community developing digital public goods, creating financial freedom, and defining the future of an open web. Earn, learn, connect, fund. Earn while building open source public goods projects that matter. Learn from industry leaders and build meaningful relationships. Team up with the community of builders to take on exciting open source projects and support open source projects building the future of the open web. Astronauts flying around. That looks fun. Damn. How does the fire not burn them, though? That looks hot, man. Okay. Why build Web3? The internet has unlocked unprecedented opportunities for collaboration and creation. That's true, man. Now Web3 technology like open source protocols and decentralized blockchains give us the ability to take that co-creation to a new scale. The Gitcoin community uses this technology to fund and build digital public good projects that serve everyone and solve our most immediate problems. That's cool. Open source way to fund and launch new things that have to get done within ecosystems. That's awesome. I mean, this is decentralized, like a decentralized movement. So decentralized things should be good for a decentralized movement. I don't know. That's my 2-year-old logic. Open source can meet open economies, build resilient projects, better coordination, and positive sum outcomes. Empowering growing networks. Okay, I'm tired of reading. You guys know what it is. Gitcoin looks cool. There's a lot of information I can't really cover right now, but Vitalik Buterin is even talking about it, founder of Ethereum, if you don't know. Gitcoin grants quadratic funding is not just for fund allocation. It's also a great signaling tool. For the last few rounds, going to, this sort by top match has led me to discover a lot of really cool Ethereum projects I previously did not know about. Cool. So shout out, man. Thanks for putting us on the new too. If you guys haven't seen my new video, it was done a while ago, like a long time ago. Basically, NewCipher always had a killer use case. It's basically proxy encryption where you could revoke keys. So you guys know how you send like an encrypted file to someone, send it through an email, like a password through an email, or you call them, leave a voicemail with a password. Once they have that password, they can always get access to that file. This is where you could actually revoke a key to a encrypted file. That's pretty cool. Definitely awesome for I always talk about aerospace defense because that's where I come from. But I could see definitely use cases for that. Probably found a use case. 28 people, what's up? Why am I blurry? High five. Cool, better. Okay. Oh yeah. Did I say dash? Real quick. I'm going out of sequence and shit, but I don't really have a sequence, so I can't get mad at it. Dash. $186. It's rising up. It's not the most aggressive rise up, but I could see it. The bottom trend line is sloping upwards, guys. Always look at the bottom trend line. Everything else, more or less noise. If the price is respecting bottom trend line and it's actually moving up over time, that's indicating that the parabola thing that happened right here is starting to take shape. There's other ones that are more aggressive, but I can't say that's not making progress. It's obvious W's and opposed to M's. M's signal weakness, W's signal accumulation. This is obviously a W, second leg forming out here. We just want some more volume coming through, but this area right here at about $200 has been a big sticking point. There's going to have to be like a break above, probably sit right there. And then after that, it should get more and more interesting, but it's struggling to get above this gravity point at like $200 just based off my quick analysis. So that's Dash. What's Zookeeper doing? Zookeeper, what's up? 31 people. What the shit? Wow. Mama, I made it. Is my mom watching me? Mom, you watching? No? Yeah, she's not watching. Look, Zoo has some crazy volume up in here. And there's like, you know, you guys heard about that. What was it? Their partnership was like with the Korean or like an Asian version of Steam. That's cool. I don't know exactly how that's going to fit into everything, but aren't they going to announce something coming down the pike? Was it later this month in regards to that, where NFTs from Zookeeper and all that, and OpenZoo is going to be somehow having some synergy with that platform? I don't know. Interesting. Zookeeper's super tiny, $7 million market cap. Holy shit. If this thing pops off, it's going to move hard. Obviously. I mean, it has to. It's tiny. Look at that big ass spike, too. Yeah, and if it does this looks like a little bowl shape and a dip down cup handle shit. Should be interesting. All right, guys. 29 people. What's good? You guys been good? Huh? Yeah. Also, guys, so you know, let me show you my stuff real quick. Then we'll be done with that. Okay. Come follow me. Twitter, Dubdigital with 2 U's. Got my stream schedule right here. Sunday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Wednesday, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Merch store right here. And also come follow me here because I be tweeting out stuff that I don't communicate in my YouTube. Yeah, you can click here if you want my merch store link. I already got it up. Okay, come check it out if you guys want some merch about crypto stuff. I got that. We got, you know, the Dubdigital squad shirts. Women's, men's, black, white, no discriminate. Diamond hands, sweater, shirt, all that good shit. Black, blue, red, gray. Yeah. Wolf pack, if you like to be a wolf, we got the onesie for your little kids. We got the hoodie. And then lastly, we got the Moon Squad. You guys will be needing this soon. I know that. Goddamn, crypto's gonna pay for that. Look at that. Black sweater looks dope. That master be wearing it. He said it's soft as hell. Okay, lastly, guys. Actually, not lastly, but almost lastly. Odyssey, come follow me. All my videos uploaded to YouTube and streams under 2 hours. That's why I try to keep it under 2 hours now. Backed up on the blockchain. Go to odyssey.com. Follow Dubdigital. I only have 74 followers here. What is this? I know you guys. I know I got more followers than that. Come follow me because someday I might get kicked off of YouTube. I might get tired of YouTube. Who knows? The cool thing is there's no ads. You don't got to put up with it. You just watch me. You actually get paid. LBC, library credits. It's a cryptocurrency. I get paid for you watching me in LBC. You know, so it's all dope. Okay. And then lastly, almost lastly, app.letsgo.finance. This is like a decentralized Patreon kind of thing. And like, I guess, content creator funding like site. This is me. Basically, the content creators are like NFTs you can stake upon. There's an APY that you can enjoy. Cakes 240. This started off with 550. It's got shrinking down because a lot of money flowed into here. Whatever you stake on me, you can split the APY with me. So you can either give me like, I think the minimum is like 10% or 100%. Split it with yourself, by the way. So you can either give me 10%, you get 90%. You can do whatever in between. That's pretty tight and pretty revolutionary. I haven't seen it on any other platform since. So I'm buying a smart chain right now. They're going to expand to Ethereum and Polygon soon. But whatever you stake, it's cool. It's like you're just splitting the APY, so you're getting that DeFi, that benefit from DeFi, and not even really giving up funds, which is pretty tight. You could also just make one of your own profile and stake on yourself if you want to be that dude and get all the money. I don't care. Whatever you stake, you get, right? So it's like-kind contributions. Like you stake some cake, you get that cake. You stake USDT, you get that USDT, so on and so forth. Come check it out, guys. Ego's price has been running up. I told you guys about this around 3 cents. Highest it hit was almost 12 cents. Came down, and it's probably going to go higher than that. So that's tight. Lastly, one of the homies in the channel started a NFT thing on Solana project called NFT Frogs. NFT Refrogs, I think. So I keep messing up that pronunciation. My bad, guys. NFT Refrogs. and it's coming soon. They're gonna be launching in November. It's cool. I definitely like their art. You can see it's like the pixelated OG gamer kind of stuff. That frog has a lightsaber and laser eyes. That's sick. But they're actually focusing on building some game theory in this project, which is pretty interesting because the Gen 1 is basically 10,240 unique frogs. But then there's going to be a period of time called like the breeding grounds for like a period of 7 days where you can actually use your frog to breed a Tad Soul, or it's a Gen 2 like NFT refrog. So basically, like the first day, you'll have the best chance of breeding something, but it'll be like the least rare. And as the week goes on, it gets like more and more rare, but the less chance you have of actually getting a second gen, which is pretty awesome. So that's probably going to drive demand. I think right now that they are, I think right now they're in talks with different Solana marketplaces, Soul and Art, Digital Eyes, Magic Eden, all that kind of stuff. So check them out, guys. If you want to learn more, they're going to be having their website coming online, I think this week, NFT refrog, fro.gs. And then also Discord, I hear it's popping in there. So go check them out. 31 people, it's good. I tried to do it fast. How's that? It was good? It was good? Cool. Let me say what's up. What's up? What's up? Hello, all. Hello. Okay, I think I already did this shit. My bad. I went out of all out of sequence. Let me catch up, guys. Dash chart. I'm a wolf, son. I'm gonna get rich either way, either now or 10 years. It's gonna happen. Lambos. Amen. I don't know the whole thing about Lambos. I ain't that crazy about Lambos. You know what I'm crazy about? That Tesla Plaid. You see that shit? That shit's faster than the Bugatti. It's faster than a Bugatti. What? Have you seen that? It's like a rocket. I need that Tesla Plaid. I like that shit. I go 0 to 100 real quick. Like the stream, boys. Hey, thumbs up would be cool. Thanks for reminding him, GX. Like the stream, boys. Like the stream, boys. Hey. 3 times a charm. BNB says, all ready to the next move. Is it? BNB? I know you're in that BNB. Exit at 700, right? That'd be a nice little come up. Binance Smart Chain. Hey guys, what's the FOMO indicator? Now I think we all know that now Shiba Inu is a new money indicator. We know new money's here. They all appear. But what's the FOMO indicator? Where new money and old money starts getting all FOMO-y and throwing money around in degen projects. Binance Smart Chain. How do you get in Binance Smart Chain? Through BNB. Yeah. Look, on the all chart, that's a inverse head and shoulders right there. What does that mean? Ain't that a reversal pattern? Yeah, it's a reversal pattern. BNB rose up with a quickness in the first impulse and it led a lot of stuff. That happens again. It probably means it's, well, gonna lead a lot of stuff. Hey, guys. Things are cyclical in crypto. NFT's starting to make some impulses up too, right? Other ecosystems catching a buzz, just like other ecosystems catched a buzz when Ethereum was effing up in the beginning. NFTs, BNB, Doge-like coins, Shiba Inu, which is basically like just a freaking scam off of Doge. You know, like it's happening again. I told you 2 major impulses in the bull runs, at least from my understanding. Looks like we're going to start getting a second, impulse of the bull run. Why? Because Bitcoin, it's been going up. It's been going up a lot. Let's check it out. Give me a second. I didn't have my charts pulled up like a loser. I'm going to get to it though. Hold up. 31 people. How you been? Good? Doing well? Trading View. Let's just do Trading View. What am I doing? What the hell am I doing right now? Yeah, Trading View. Okay. You guys ever done that? You just forget what you're doing. You're like, where am I? Or is that just me? It's probably just me. BTC, USD, Coinbase. Cool. Shit. I have not prepared this. Get away from me. Get away from me. I don't need you right now. Fib tool. Let's go to week. Week is good enough for what we're doing here. Okay. Okay. A lot of little triangles, whatever. I haven't cleaned it up. You guys got to deal with that. Okay. So basically, guys, Bitcoin, it fell off, right? May. Fell down a lot. People are scared. They're shitting their pants, right? Fell down so much. At the lowest point, it hit about 51% retracement. Everyone said, Bitcoin's dead. Oh no, Bitcoin is dead. Oh my God, Bitcoin's dead. I've only been here for 3 weeks, but Bitcoin's dead. Noobs. It's a matter of time, guys. Because we're about 112 days since that capitulation point. And Bitcoin damn near rose up about, I can't even see this. God, sorry. Messed up my delivery. 118%. It was on death's doorstep, and now it's doubled. It's doubled from that point. Bitcoin did not go down. Bitcoin did not go to 20K. Bitcoin did not go to 3K. It didn't go to $100 or negative bucks like everyone was saying. All these noobs, they think they know what's going on. I'm trying to sit out here and tell them. Bitcoin goes up and to the right, and every 4 years, in the 4th year, Bitcoin goes up a hell of a lot. Not down a whole hell of a lot. After it goes up a whole hell of a lot, it goes down a whole hell of a lot. You know what I'm saying? We're damn near back up to the highest point. We're only 7% away from overtaking the highest point that was hit in April 2021. Okay, now let's zoom out because, it doesn't take a genius to know what comes next. Okay, so once we pass that point, where's the resistance? Where's the next sticking point? Oh, there is none. It's blue sky breakout again. That would make getting to price points like this much more realistic, much more achievable, much more understandable, wouldn't it? Yes. Because what happens when things are in blue sky breakouts? They're in price discovery. People are trying to find the fair value of this asset. Yeah, it typically overshoots because people, they get a little giddy. They like to shit, like throw their money around and shit. Well, that's, it's a bad thing for people who invest into that move going up. It's not that bad of a thing for people who already got their position and taking their money. What do you guys think? You want to take some money? Oh, I'm ready to take some freaking money. Dubdigital, you're taking advantage of people? What the fuck you think this is? The Red Cross? No. It's capital markets, man. This is the wolf pack. Not puppy pack, man. Let's see. Looking forward to your evaluation of the Q4 market. That's basically it. Bitcoin's going to go up. It's going to top out. I've been saying, I'm expecting, just based off my really simple valuation thing that I've told you guys, 10x from last all-time high. Last all-time high for Bitcoin was 20,000 bucks. Okay? 10x is 200,000 bucks. Dubdigital, why do you pick it to 10x? Because last time from 2013 to 17, it went 20x. I'm just taking half of that to account for diminishing returns because bigger market cap means harder to move. I'm taking half of the last, what do you call it? Factor of magnitude it went up, or 2 factors of magnitude went up. I'm taking 1 factor of magnitude, adding it to the last cycle, bang, 200,000 bucks. Does it seem that crazy? No. It's not like I even took the same factor of magnitudes. That would put us up to damn near 400,000 bucks. I ain't going to say that. Okay. 200,000, 250,000. But if it ended up at 180, 150, you're going to be that mad? No. See, this is the thing. Whatever really occurs in December, we're going to know if that's on track or not. Because you're going to see that chart spiking. If it's not spiking, then I'll have to sit back and reevaluate because ever since Bitcoin has started, it's ended in a very pointy, knife-like structure, right? This doesn't even do 2013. This is bullshit. Let me go back. But looking at 2013, Spiky knife-like structure. That means exponential price rise. Euphoria. 2017, spiky knife-like structure. Euphoria. We don't end in spiky knife-like structure. Okay, then maybe it is extending, but I'm not willing to just let go of the 4-year just like that yet. It has to be data-driven. 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 Say it with me. Data-driven. You guys are all about the internet. The bad part about the internet is anyone could talk into your ear and say some bullshit. Like that's why sometimes I gotta protect my mental. I gotta protect my energy, man. I say, hey, shut the fuck up, man. I'm gonna go take a walk. Stop looking at my phone. Stop going to my Telegram group. Stop going to other Telegram groups. Because like at the end of the day, it's like, I don't know who the hell's talking on the other side of the internet to me. Like, you know what you're talking about? Maybe you do. Maybe you don't. I don't know. You know, like that's the thing. Everyone and their mom could like say hodl Bitcoin. Everyone and their mom does say hodl Bitcoin, but not everyone and their mom sticks to that like strong conviction when things get bad. In fact, almost no one and their mom does. You guys know what I'm saying? Yeah, cool. Yo, Trini, hey, what's up, dude? What's up? We're moving up in the world, man. Trini's moving up, man. We got Nicki Minaj, she doing her thing. We got Dubdigital. I know what I'm doing, but shit. I feel like I'm making it. Let's see. Would you tell us more about Kyber Network? Thanks, man. Yeah, Kyber Network. I've always liked Kyber Network just for that functionality, but like it's the thing is like Uniswap. Kyber Network was actually killing it in 2020 before Uniswap got like really big. Even before 2019 too. Everyone was talking about Kyber Swap. It's because it offered you the functionality to do like buys and sells at price points in Ethereum like value. Straight from your hardware wallet. So basically you would give the like app permission to execute a trade for you when it hits certain like triggers. Just like a stop loss and all that shit does, you know? But the reason I think the reason I think Uniswap overtook Kyber Network in the long run is because retail doesn't really do that. They don't really care about that. That's functionality that's really for people who know what they're doing, institutional investors, traders. The only thing is, man, there's always going to be less traders and institutional investors than retail. So therefore, Uniswap probably got more of the adoption, more of the traction. You know, you can see, but it doesn't mean Kyber Swap's an inferior product. It just means that it offers functionality that they don't really use or need. You know, so check out Kyber Swap. And I think I haven't really followed them since because I don't know why. But I know that they're working on like liquidity solutions for other projects too, like somewhat like a Thorchain. So that would be super sick if they had deep liquidity and could offer the decentralized like buy and sell functionality. That would be super interesting. Essentially, I think what they're doing is they know they're building this for experienced traders and investors. And experienced traders and investors typically have more money than retail. So if you're going to be building products for experienced traders and investors, you got to have the liquidity to satisfy them. But you know, Uniswap is always going to catch the mass of people. But it really just takes a few big people to run up in Kyber Swap and give them a lot of utility. You're right, Dub. Thank you. Hey, hearts, man. See, sometimes I yell, man. I say things that seem a little harsh, I know. But it's because I love you guys, man. I got to tell you what you got to hear sometimes. I know everyone's be blowing smoke up each other's butt in crypto all the time, man. No, Ethereum's the best one. Bitcoin's the best one. Everyone else sucks. Echo chamber shit, man. This ain't no echo chamber over here. You guys can challenge me too. It's cool. I could take a little heat. Good morning. Hey, I like that. Thanks, dude. Sounds perfectly reasonable. Yeah. And the thing is, man, like my takes are not gospel. It's just a data point. It's just a resource. You know, if I don't say stuff that vibes with you, then that's cool. We just have a difference of opinions. It don't mean we got to be enemies and shit. It just means that, you know, we're sharpening our minds on each other. You know, like you don't sharpen a knife on a pillow. You sharpen it on another, like on a stone, you know, something hard. Hey, y'all, dag. Mr. Digital. What the fudge, man? I'm Mr. Digital. It's okay, man. I didn't apply for copyright. Let's see, dag. Constellation. People be showing me this stuff on my Twitter and stuff. I don't know if it's a scam or not. Probably not, but like, scam. You're like shilling me so hard. 20 cents. I mean, that doesn't suggest it. That's interesting. I read it last stream. I'm not gonna go through it again, but you can get Kucoin, Hit BTC, LCX exchange. Kucoin for people who are all up in the United States. That's cool. This thing moved up a lot. This was, damn, August. It moved up a lot. Shit. This was happening when Bitcoin was down. Why is this? What happened? So there's some like inverse correlation to BTC in this thing. Check it out, guys. You don't know. Constellation DAG is cryptocurrency. Constellation has a current supply. Oh, God. Hate when I do that shit. But check it out. 3.6 billion supply, 250 mil market cap. Interesting. 34% on the market, so not a huge amount. Looking good. 192 place on CoinMarketCap. 25 people, what's good? OLT. Yep. See that, guys? People are getting more bullish on crypto. They want to know the macro when it's bad. They want to know the next Ethereum when it's good. Almost 3 cents. I mean, this thing popped up like a new. 45% of circulation, 1 billion market, 1 billion max supply. Current market cap is 13 million, so that's really small. Where do you get it? KuCoin, Gate.io, Ascendex. This is the first exchange that XPRT was listed on. CoinX. Okay. Volumes are tiny. That makes sense. It's a tiny market cap. I mean, this thing could correct down though. I mean, I wouldn't be. Oh, actually, shit. Yeah, it should correct down a little bit, but this thing is getting ready. Looks like it's getting ready. What's it about? Does it tell you right here? Launched in 2017, the shortcut of blockchain development to speed up blockchain adoption. OneLedger is a blockchain as a service, or BaaS solution. Companies that use its own blockchain technology support its customer business needs. OneLedger's mission is to simplify businesses' adoption of blockchain technology and integrate into their specific business application products. The company focuses on blockchain technology in healthcare, asset management, supply chain sector, partner with Google Cloud and IBM. Okay. You earned my click. 27 people. What's good? This reminds me, just based off of that little blurb right there, it reminds me of MITx. You guys remember that video I did, MITx? They're also partnered with Google and IBM too, I think. That's interesting. You're going to see this, guys. You're going to see this. This might be a next cycle thing. But business blockchain as a service, you think these corporations want to build their own blockchains? No. They just want a freaking tool to plug and play. These ones, OneLedger, MITx, a few others, they're trying to do that. The shortcut for blockchain development. Google Cloud, IBM, Forbes. What's OneLedger? OneLedger is a new type of blockchain designed for transnational, compliant business operations in a secure, scalable, and high-speed infrastructure using all the advantages of blockchain technology. OneLedger's mission is to simplify businesses' adoption of blockchain technology and its integration into specific business application and products. The company focuses on blockchain technology in healthcare, asset management, and supply chain sectors, and is partnered with Google Cloud and IBM. Team members have worked at several Fortune 500 enterprises, including WPC, IBM, and Forbes. Challenges. OneLedger was created to solve nagging problems of blockchain interoperability. As global adoption of blockchain technology was beginning to gather pace, some glaring critical technological challenges were already limiting the scale of enterprise-level blockchain adoption. One such challenge was that blockchain interoperability was practically non-existent. Well, until like this cycle. Most blockchains existed in isolated network, introducing two significant restrictions. Among others, no practical way to transfer value directly between different blockchains and inability of businesses and individuals to quickly deploy distributed applications or dApps across multiple blockchain platforms. I think the second one is the biggest issue now. I think like the transfer of value from a value islands like siloed blockchains is becoming a thing of the past with WAN chain, mainly WAN chain and freaking Cosmos, to be honest. I know Cosmos got the bigger budget and Cosmos is probably going to kill it. And it's on the China blockchain, like national system, but WAN chains, they're connected up with way more people. Their bridges are working. So it's going to be interesting to see that. But like MITX and projects like this, I think they're working on the deployment to allow businesses to prototype, test, launch decentralized applications. Because everyone knows decentralized applications are better than centralized ones. Like, damn, that's not a secret no more. 27 people, what's up? Is that French? What is that, man? Is that a ticker? Probably a ticker. I'm just bullshitting. That's cute. Curate. Yeah, you see this shit, guys? This is an indicator, man. You should see the new coin indicator. Crypto's about to blow up. Everyone's asking for these new coins. Curate. But this is adds value in my opinion. Like sometimes you hit some good ones, sometimes you hit some bullshit. You know, that's just the way of the game. That's our events. We're actually looking at the new penny stocks. So you got to be okay with some of that. But we've had some killers cross our eyes in these live streams. If you've been following me for any time at all, you go back and look at some of these coins that were mentioned and people are like, what is this? What's that? And I was saying the same thing and they blow the hell up. So also some don't. So I just got to be straight up with that. But Curate, check it out. Currently almost $3. 8 million supply. What the hell? $23 million market cap. Not very big at all. Curate is the world's first gasless multi-chain NFT marketplace offering NFT auctions, minting, as well as general physical good marketplace, all of which is supported by blockchain technology. Curate provides a fair and more transparent open marketplace by offering industry low 4% seller commission for both marketplaces and providers buying. Oh, okay, whatever. I could just go to website. I'm going to go website. Kucoin, Gate.io, Uniswap, PancakeSwap. Who? Huh. It's all over the dexes. I got to see this. 53 minutes in. Shit. Gasless NFT and P2P marketplace. Gasless NFTs, that's cool. NFT marketplace comparison. Rarible, Foundation, Super Rare, OpenSea, 2%, 4%, 15%. Shit. Rarible is 5%. OpenSea still winning on that, but gasless, fee minting, commissions, physical goods, multi-chain token. Yeah, OpenSea is not multi-chain, which is a big problem. They have a token, that's good. Carbon neutral. What do they do to token holders? They give like fees generated. Well, this, I guess commission. They probably pay their coin holders a commission. Cointelegraph, all that stuff. That's cool. What's inside? Looks hot. So it's not. So we know who they are. The team. They're doxed. That's cool. Tokenomics. ERC20, BEP20. Okay, cool. BEP20. That's what I'm into. ERC20. Screw that shit. It takes too much money to buy it. Q4 map, Kucoin, Algorand, agnostic partnership integration, tamper-proof NFT smart contract update, Polkadot. Okay, they're gonna integrate Polkadot. I'm guessing they're gonna integrate as many big changes as they can since they're touting like interoperable NFT marketplace. E-commerce, partnerships, NFTs. What other partners? They got partnerships? Governance, blockchain, DeFi. I don't know. Your partner's at Paid Network. Okay, Kyle Chassé, Travala, Amazon Web Services, Algorand, TrustSwap, Avalanche, Elrond, Chainlink. Oh shit. MoDeFi, Gather. What's Amazon Web Services doing in this shit? CyberFi, that's a launch pad. Coin payments, e-money. There's a lot of partners. Shopping.io. It's actually cool. Check that out, guys. Anchor. Okay. Interesting. I'll follow them on Twitter. No, it's not Twitter. Where's their Twitter? Who's following them? This is my social check. You guys get to see who I like be following them. Altcoin Daily. Well, they're at 1 million viewers. Dana. Okay. This is the homie from discussions.net, .app, Kucoin, Algorand, Elron. Okay. Elron's big enough for me. All right, dude. Well, thanks for putting this on. Appreciate it. Let's see what else. 29 people. What's good? Sir, please tell about. I think I just did, sir. SKL is Sleeking Dragon. Show money. You be loving that SKL. Let's see it. I gotta help him out. Still gotta do my other charts. Shit. SKL. I mean, W obviously. So it probably, this is its lowest point at about 30 cents. Right now we're sitting at about 35 cents. Yeah, I mean, like honestly, I mean, it's doing fine. It had no volume and it protected these points. So I don't know if it's going to go any lower than that. This is interesting. It's like a little cup looking thing, whatever. Volume's nothing to write home about, but at some point, I mean, obviously this thing's shown its ability to run up. I don't see any like standout fractals right here, but hey, you know what I'm saying, man? Like SKL. The thing you like about SKL is it's a lot of supply. Market cap, it's medium. You know, it's medium. It's on Coinbase though. Yeah. It's on Coinbase and it's sitting at 35 cents. I mean, that's the recipe for greatness anyway. You know that. Anything that's in a cents on Coinbase, when new money comes up in there, they're going to buy it because they don't know anything about anything. They don't know about fundamentals. They don't know about supply. They don't know about none of that. They just know that price low, price go high. SKL probably do well. There's probably a lot of fundamental things I'm not hitting on it, but like I could totally just see that that's what interests me, to be honest, just looking at it. Anything under $1 on Coinbase is probably going to excel in pumping because that's what like new money goes at first. Not financial advice. CargoX playing them games. I got in 3 weeks ago at 22 cents. Need to break 30, 16 right now. Oh, is it? What's it doing? It's 22 cents. Hey, you broke even, man. Congrats. Oh, CargoX. I mean, but like this is the thing, man. Yeah, it's not like when you get in, it can't go lower. That's always a risk in crypto, guys. But like the thing is, it's called as concept like relative strength. Okay, we saw basically this thing started taking off right around when Bitcoin was dropping down. This is all when Bitcoin was languishing, right? Like May, this is a Bitcoin at its lowest point. It didn't go down at all near like where it took off from. This is showing relative strength. You go look at Cardano, you go look at Sol. I'm not saying that this is going to be like that. I'm not going to go on a limb like that. What I'm trying to say is this price action was reminiscent of what they did. They never really came down very far like a lot of other coins did, right? So that's telling me something. Now, it's not saying that, oh, get in now. This is the lowest point it'll ever be. It's just saying that this thing, it's going up in the face of super adversity. It's going up when it really shouldn't be. So if it's doing that during an environment that's not conducive for price appreciation, what is it going to do when it is in a like an environment that is ripe for a price appreciation? That's the thought process. The CargoX, I talk about this all the time. Logistics, blockchain. I've been talking about it for the homies. They approached me. It sounded like a good opportunity. They're working with Egypt. They're talking to China. You know, do your due diligence. Y'all are adults, but hey, not indicating that it's going to blow up. It looks like it's holding its pretty much its ground. Altcoin season January 2022. Bitcoin minimum price 330,000 December. I mean, yeah, Amir, that's basically you're just looking at the 2017 chart and assuming that it's gonna play out exactly the same. Could. Altcoins could run with. Altcoins could lag just like it did last time. I would love for it to play out just like it did last time. I could understand why you say that. I would love to hop on a video call with you sometime. Hey, man. Send me my on Telegram. My Telegram, I think, group is down in the description. I believe people be joining and shit. Yeah, hit me up. What up, Dub? You think mainstream crowd would have enough time and knowledge of CBDCs in order to reject it or replace them before governments roll them out? Oh no, they're gonna do whatever they get told to do. Don't even hope for like non-crypto people to like even care about CBDCs. They don't care. They don't care about decentralization. They don't care about nothing. They don't care about UTXO versus account-based blockchains. They don't care. All they want is a money to make money, man. They don't got no loyalty. That's why they drop it like it's hot. That's why every single cycle ends with an abruptness. It's because they don't care. They don't want to care. They just want that Lambo. So why would they care what stablecoin they're using? They don't give a shit. But USDC versus Tether versus DAI versus CBDC, they don't know the difference. They say, which one's $1? All of them's $1? All right, whatever. And then when the government comes out and is going to say, hey, all this other stuff, don't use it. Use the one we're using, the CBDC. They're going to look and be like, okay. Now we're going to sit over here and be like, don't do it, don't do it. And they're not going to listen. And that's just the way it goes. There's more of them than us. So, you know, it's based off that. Institutions investing, maybe. That's why they think we'll keep going up. Hey, man, look. Institutions, they're more ruthless than me. You know what I'm saying? Like, they want their money. See, this is the thing. Why does everyone think institutions are just going to hold and hodl like a retail investor does or a crypto evangelist does? No, they're very black and white. Maybe because a lot of people haven't worked in large institutions before. I have. I've sat in the boardrooms. I've sat in executive meetings. I know exactly how these people think. They're super black and white, super cut and dry. They're very bottom line oriented, even more so in investment banks. You think they're going to sit here and be like, we're going to hold Bitcoin because it's the future? They're going to say, sell that shit now. Brian, sell that shit right now. Click it. Click it, Brian. You're fired if you don't click it. That's how these people get down, man. So why wouldn't they capitalize when they see it overvalued? They'll sell and buy when it's on the bottom when it's undervalued. That's exactly what they did with the futures. When futures opened up, Bitcoin started tanking in 2017. Institutions have been investing in Bitcoin ever since, all through the bear market. Why? Because they caused it. Okay, man, I get it, man. I get it. I don't speak French, man. The bull run is different. That's what they say. Yeah, you know what, man? They've been saying that shit for the beginning, since the beginning of time. They've been telling them this bull run is different in 2017, and guess what? It wasn't different. See, people come up in here thinking that's the first time people said this bull run's different, and for the last 10 years, it ain't been different. But they don't know that because they're new. They're noobs, man. Been in crypto since January 2017. Been part of the core team for HTML Coin for nearly 4 years and got some cool and interesting stuff to chat about. Yeah, I think you hit me up before, like a year ago. Yeah, hit me up, man. I'm always down to hear new coins. You never know. You never know, guys. Dub day. 23 people, it's good. What's up, everyone? Institutions are required to take profits. Yeah, dude. Like, especially if they're like, what do you call it? Fiduciaries, right? Fiduciaries have like a responsibility to take care of and practice good money management practices with investors' money. They can go to jail. They're not just sitting in their room clicking shit and nah, that's you and me, man. They have shareholders they have to like talk to. They have quarterly like projections they have to meet. They gotta hit their bonuses. They gotta do this and that, and it goes way beyond just like HODL. Like they might have a little reserve, but it's not the bulk of it. You know what I'm saying? But this is the thing, man. I think I take for granted my experience in the professional world and like actually speaking to and having relationships with executive people. You got to understand how they think. They don't think like you and me from the fact of, oh, this is a better money. We might as well just hold it. No, they're thinking like, how the hell am I going to hit this number so I don't get crucified in my next board meeting? You know, they're money driven, bro. That news cipher ran up with the quickness, right? Yeah, it did. News cipher ran up with the quickness. But you know what, guys? You know what? Give me a second. I want to show you the total 2 index because I've been bullshitting. It's hour 6. Okay, 1 second. 1 second. 22 people. What's up? Doing good? Good. Look at it, man. So market cap's at 1.31 trillion. Highest point I ever got was 1.5 trillion. We're only, how far away are we? About 11%, 12% away from 1.5 trillion. That was the last high. I told you guys all the way until October. October, the market cap of altcoins started rising up. It's going to rise up. It's going to do some chopping action. It's going to be a little whoa, like that. Get people a little scared. Like, what's it doing? Then it's going to go up. And everyone's going to be like, I knew it. Let me get in. But if you knew it, why weren't you in? And then everyone's going to say the obvious. No one wants to go out on the limb. Ain't that a bitch? Yeah. Market cap's going to go up. All coins are going to run. Tell me something I don't know. Trading view, Bitcoin Dom. Let me drop my... I go out on a limb all the time. My whole life is on a limb. Either I'll be an idiot or a genius. We'll see. Okay. Look, guys. The most dangerous man in the world is a guy who has nothing to lose. I ain't got nothing to lose. Well, I do, but I don't care. Let's see it. The reason news going up with a quickness, the reason the market cap is running up on the altcoin market cap back to all-time high, back to its cyclical all-time high, and the reason it's probably going to go higher is because last time in 2017, end of the cycle, market cap took a dump on the sidewalk. We've yet to get that dump on the sidewalk, but right around the November timeframe, typically October, at least in the last cycle, Bitcoin dominance rose up because Bitcoin took off from its cyclical all-time high and overtook it. So that would have been from like what? 2000, I forget what it was, running up, breaking out of there. Same thing's going to happen with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's direction, it takes off first, right? If Bitcoin's doing well, everything can do well. If Bitcoin's not doing well, almost nothing does well. Bitcoin, it's rising back up to 60,000. We're almost at 65. Once it overtakes 65, it's probably going to gain some more market share. People are going to FOMO into Bitcoin, selling those altcoins. But at a certain point, just like the last cycle suggests, altcoins, they're going to start following. That's what that big red candle is right here. Money flowed out of Bitcoin and altcoins. And then Bitcoin's going to take off again. Towards the end of the cycle, the majority of the money that ended up in Bitcoin ends up in altcoins. Altcoins, smaller market cap, they take off way more than Bitcoin just because they're smaller in market cap. That's what I think is going to happen here. We're going to set all-time lows on the Bitcoin dominance chart because every single cycle we set all-time lows. We haven't even passed the last low hit in 2017, sitting around 36% Bitcoin dominance. So you know we're not done. Now, I've been sitting here saying the same damn thing for a year plus. It's probably getting boring, right? Hey, right? I shouldn't be changing my position every goddamn minute. If I believe what I believe in, I gotta say it, and then it plays out. We're gonna watch to the end. I only got like 2 months left. We're gonna know if I'm right or if I'm wrong soon enough. Don't worry about it. 26 people, what's up? Apparently, the way it works is they allocate, say, 5% of their fund to Bitcoin, and as it grows disproportionately to the asset, they're forced to sell off to keep within the 5% range. Yeah, that's called rebalancing. That's why I like to run my portfolio in somewhat of a, it's not as stringent as them, but as a portfolio, like they do that. They say, we want this exposure, not more, not less. They take profits as the exposure overperforms, right? It grows to 10%, 20%. They cut it off at a predetermined point. So they always stay that same amount of exposure. Because as your assets grow, I mean, more and more of your portfolio is in a more and more risky asset. They like to manage their risk. Risk management. I told you guys that. Most retail is obsessed with like Moonboy Lambo gains capital appreciation. But when you go into the institutional world, in a more like a corporate finance, it's all about how do I manage my risk? How do I keep myself from blowing the hell up? How do I keep this money I already got? Because they already got that money, man. You know, like they're more concerned with not losing the money. Retail's more concerned with making the money. Focus is at a different spot. Jay, what it do, Dub? What asset class will you be rotating your money into at the peak? Oh. See, I like how you think. You're already thinking like, okay, so once I make my money, what am I doing with it? I've been thinking about that too. Just so you guys know, guys, I'm probably going to be starting before I answer the question, I'm probably going to be starting a locals like community, which would be like, you know, small monthly fee. But then we wouldn't be like censored whatsoever. And it would just be a smaller group. So people who are very, very interested in learning and all that, I'm going to come with really meaningful questions that I can answer. I can do that in like, you know, a smaller setting where I'm going to talk about this shit. I'm going to like draw like presentations. I'm going to do risk curves and all that shit and show you like, okay, this sector is looking interesting, blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to lay it out. But I can tell you without all that detail right now what I'm currently interested in. I'm interested in land, the original NFT, land. They ain't making more land. Ideally, like water rights. Water's getting more expensive. You know, I'm also interested in the hemp industry. Everyone's freaking obsessed with the weed industry, and hemp's sitting over there. Don't even got to worry about getting legalized. It's not even like a class 1, like substance. What else? I have a macro farm thesis. Anything automation, like go check out like autonomous robots. You know, anything that's gonna reduce like the need for employees is probably gonna get more and more prominent. There's more stuff, man. In terms of like you know, precious metals can never go wrong. Precious metals kind of mimic crypto. It's just over longer spans of time. So if you wanted something more you know, like there's stuff like that. I think I gave out a few nugs. What do you think? 29 people, what's up? Just for fun, I told you guys about Taboo a couple weeks ago. Can you give your opinion about the TA? Hour 14? Okay. Taboo's so good. It's looking hot. It's looking hot. I mean, a double top right there. It's probably going to come back a little bit if you want to get in. But see, that's some shit that like I'm not really into getting into because that's like taking off already for me. My like, you know, I'm not a growth dude too much. Like I'm a buy low, sell high value. That's a value investor. Like, that's a value investing equation. Value investing, right? Like that. This was 2020. I guess. Damn, last month was it for me? Would have been it, right? Like this taking off. It could be overvalued, it could be undervalued. I have no way of telling. I'm typically more comfortable when I'm very convinced that it's undervalued, Right now, I'm not so sure. But the TA double topped a little bit. It could come back for a little correction. Volume's not spiking into it. It could come back for a little correction, right? So, hey, that's my thought on it, man. Not financial advice. Doge GF is a great meme coin. Yeah, I saw Doge X, baby. Doge. Hey, the thing is, guys, we're seeing a bunch of these tiny coins every single day going up 2,000%, 5,000%. It's crazy on CoinMarketCap. Just go to the like top gainers. It's crazy. Like, shit, I can do it. Biggest gainers blow up 7,000% in a 24-hour period. Bit up 3,000%. Prince Floki 1,500%. Let's see, blow up. Whoa. I mean, whoa. Hey, this is the thing with meme coins and small caps. I mean, like, it's risk, right? It's really risky. And if it works out, you should be rewarded accordingly. But if it doesn't work out, you can't really be surprised, you know? 25 people, what's up? Gonna have to go be with the fam. We'll watch the rest later. Have a good one. Cheers, Dub. Thanks, man. Thanks for stopping by. Family, it's the most important thing, man. Dot now on WANSwap. Good. See, that's the thing. WANSwap, WAN chain, while other chains are trying to build bridges to other chains, WAN chains already got it done. The only thing they got to really reconcile, they got to do this. Like, tell the WAN chain team, tell the homies, they got to do this. You got to figure out the liquidity issues on WANSwap. You can't just have fat liquidity for some chains, like, and nothing for others. Like, that's not going to breed confidence. You got to figure it out. That's like the biggest weak point in WAN chain right now, in my opinion. Brother, remember I was screaming GTC? Yeah, man, I gave you props, man. I gave you props. Come on. It's Dub Day. Hey, thank you. I wonder, has Cosmos Atom reached its top? I doubt it. It's top? It ain't really even taken off. I mean, look, man. It just overtook and now it's coming back down and kind of like trying to find a balance right around, you know, the support it made in like the high, which was now the highest point in May. Not anymore. You know, it came above. Now gravity's pushing it back down. This is not the end for Cosmos. No way. No way. Mm-mm. Where will it be? That's another question. But like, look, man, we're at right at the point of cycle where monies should start flowing into alts. Should start flowing. Cosmos, pretty much an underappreciated ecosystem that's interoperable. The most interoperable, you know, probably second to WAN chain. I only say that because WAN chain has more live bridges to other chains already. But Cosmos, it's very advanced. It's good tech. China blockchain national system. You think $30, $40 is the highest it's going to go when Sol just ran up so freaking much? And this has half the supply pretty much as Sol. Almost half the supply. Cosmos is a long hold, bullish. I think Atom has a good hedge against all these chains integrating with legacy systems, kind of building their own universe. Yeah, they are. They are. You know, they're just a little behind other solutions, but there's a lot of money behind Atom. There's a lot of money and a lot of supporters and backers behind Atom. So from like a hookup standpoint, that's where it's like a wild card and they could just go up to number one real quick. Have you looked into OLT, one ledger token? Yeah, we looked at it already. This dude is doing this again. Dude, I don't speak French. Hey, I'm wearing the sweatshirt now. 52 degrees. I'm super warm. Hey, thanks, man. Dad Master, always thanks for dropping by. Foxy's looking hot. Damn, the floor. The floor on Foxy's. It's got to stay above 5. But I think it's going to do well. I think it's going to do. What do you think? What do you think? What's your end of the year Foxy price in ETH? What do you think? Let me know. All crypto EFTs is taking the next gen finance asset and turning into an old world first gen app financial asset. Yeah, but hey man, there's always gonna be old people. You know, some old people, they don't change. You can't teach a old dog new tricks. At least most of them. Some of them you can, but most of them you can't. You know, like it's just a natural progression. We're not gonna go from centralized in the snap of a finger. It's gonna take some time. There's gonna be hybrid periods, but as well, I hate to say it, as people pass on and more people become more and more comfortable with decentralized systems, then we're going to get more and more detached from the old systems and more integrated into the new. And at some point in time, there'll just be people who only remember decentralized systems. You know, that's just a progression of transition. Happens, dude. Get XPR Proton only 4 cents. Hour 22. Okay. I mean, that kind of showing a weakness right now. I wouldn't get it right now. It's starting to do like a M double top kind of thing. Is this the second high lower than the first? That's showing weakness to me. But, you know, I mean, it's obviously performing. But I think you get a little discount on it, to be honest. Not financial advice. GTC charges $200K a month from projects that get funded. GTC is Shark Tank for developers. Yeah, it's like a Kevin O'Leary's in there? Mr. Wonderful. Nice. Bitcoin could suffer from Bitcoin ETF. Yeah, it could. It kind of depends when it comes out. Like if they just announce it and they say, oh, in December, like it's going live, then I know that that's a buy the rumor, sell the news thing. But if it's like right now, it could propel. It could propel. But I have a feeling they're going to push it out until like December, some shit. Watch. They know what they're doing, man. They know what they're doing. I hope it just inspires people to learn more than custody themselves. In what? In what? I need Dub's coffee cup or travel mug. Seattle? I used to go out there for work, man. Seattle is expensive shit. I thought LA was expensive. Seattle is like just as expensive. Dag! I looked at it. Dub's pad is sweet. Thanks, man. Thank you. I got some water skis over here. Ain't never water skied, but you know, maybe one day I will. Okay, dude, if you keep doing this shit, I'm gonna kick you out. I don't want to, but I will. Elizabeth, what is good? Has SNX been crippled by the competition? So tempted to sell. It would be just over my break-even point. I got SNX too. No, I mean, you can do whatever you want. I'm not gonna tell you what to do ever. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. I think it's gonna be okay. I think it's gonna be okay, you know? Because like it's decentralized derivatives, it ran up. It wasn't the first or leader to run up, but it was pretty high up there to run up. I think it'll go up again. It's just like decentralized derivatives. That's just a huge use case. I mean, what else is doing that? I mean, we got Mirror Protocol. We got Organics. We got a few others, but it's only like I could fit them on two hands. And the derivatives market's so big, you know. Yeah, the chart's looking a little, you know, it's not the best, but in the grand scheme of things, and I say grand scheme as in the remainder of the cycle, 2 to 3 months, I expect it to go higher. But hey, if you got like cold feet on it, I get it. I've done that before. I sold Doge when I had cold feet on it, and then it went hella high. I've just done that so many times. Like I'm kind of like sitting still right now. You know, shit. I bought Doge in 2020, put a couple $100 in. I don't want to talk about it no more. Yo, Dub, can you give me a little feedback on HBAR? Yeah. Oh shit, I gotta hit that guy back on Telegram. 36 cents. I mean, just look at the bottom trend line, man. Has it broken that bottom trend line at all? No. It's respecting, climbing up. Yeah, it's doing some of like this like up down, up down. But notice it's kind of constricting, and it's right around the last high it set last time in March to April. With that said, it's basically saying that it's working out that those sellers, like there's a resistance there. Obviously, you could tell by the continuous push down, especially when HBAR took off. That was that first impulse up, and now you're just getting rid of the more of those weak hands or people who would like don't believe in HBAR like that. That's necessary to move higher. We know HBAR can move high. We know it has the fundamentals to do it. You know, it's just been going through like, you know, a little low period because the whole crypto market as a whole has been doing that. But it showed you that it was able to get above before, now came down. But once you get rid of those people, it should continue to go up, right? I mean, especially at the most bullish end of the cycle. HBAR did all of this shit. I mean, it took off early as hell. It did all of that without like the Bitcoin dominance dropping all-time lows. It's about to do it, in my opinion. Not a financial advice, but it's about to do it. Yeah, just have that understanding, that fundamental understanding. Good project, entering the most bullish part of the cycle, good projects typically go up. You know? 27 people, what's up? Is Telcoin a good token, Dub? I don't know. I haven't really looked into it. I'm guilty of that. Can't look at everything, you know. Iron sharpens iron. So I used to be in the Boy Scouts, man. Use a stone. Sharpen on stone and oil. Looks like Kyber is now called Crystal. They changed the name. Why? Interesting. DAG is partnered with the U.S. Air Force military contracts. Hint. Where can I find this out? Do you have a link? I'm interested to dig into more. Confirmed Black Swan event Zoo, October 29th. Really? Black Swan event? That's usually negative, man. Or a good Black Swan? I know a police department is using OLT through third-party company in Los Angeles. Really? It's not too far from here. What they doing with it? You're literally talking about SKL without realizing it. Internet app-specific blockchain. Each Web 2 site can have their own chain on Web 3. I am? What did I say? I say lots of things, man. Shit. So many tokens. Holy shit. OpenSea can use 3 chains, but only Ethermatic are the only ones with volumes on OpenSea. Oh. What's the other one? Yeah, no one uses this for anything else, huh? Crypto savvy is reluctantly going bullish. Hope it's not time to sell already. LOL. I took 30K increase to change his mind. It took a 30K increase to change his mind. He's reluctantly going bullish. Does he follow cyclical analysis, or he just looking at like shorter term time frames? Because like, I mean, I made this call like a year ago. That's crazy. Hey, mate, can you check out AAPX? I think it's a gem. Really quick, guys. Really quick. Short on time today. I mean, I've already been up here almost an hour. 30, yeah. It's looking like it needs some milk. Let's read about it, though. AMP-Net is protocol to centralize and trustless system for auditors who are verifying real-world assets and their legal status to enable those real-world assets to be tokenized on blockchain and issue ECR20 tokens. Okay, supply 7 mil. I don't know the market cap. Where do you buy it? Uniswap. How new is it? Okay, so it came out right when Bitcoin is tanking, so that makes a lot of sense. So don't condemn it just for that. 26 people, what's up? AMP. I'm amped. Global fundraising, easy tokenization, and instant trading for any project. This guy over here. This guy looking at stuff. No, Matthew. Go away, Matthew. Doing hours, what you used to, and taking weeks. Selling company equity used to be a pain. Updates to the court registry, numerous lawyers, and lots of hassle with international investments are basically a guarantee. By fundraising through AppNet, you can reach your goals quicker than ever before. For startups and small businesses, cool. Oh yeah, and by the way, you guys asked me what I thought was going to be like hot, like as far as rotating capital. Renewables, obviously renewable energy, man. I've been saying that shit since 2011. I was sitting at my aerospace job. They had like an alternative like branch, like alternative power branch, other than their space and defense stuff, and they sold it off like noobs. Now we see this big ass turn to alternatives, and I thought that was like the hottest thing, and it will continue to be the hottest thing. Your business, your rules. Interesting. Looks interesting. Check it out if you guys want to learn more. It looks like pretty young though. You know, like this might just be. I would look at new projects that like this as like a cash grab. Not saying that they won't do better in the future. It's just that, you know, the clock's ticking. Doesn't matter how good the goddamn project is. The clock is ticking. If you believe in cyclical analysis, that's the truth of the matter. You know, but interesting. I think that's a big deal. You know, what it do? How you been? Do you think most bears are grumpy, unhappy people? No, I don't think they're grumpy and unhappy. I just think like they're not. Well, okay, so they're trying to be like defensive, right? But it gives you some insight as to like what they expect for themselves and what is possible for themselves. You know, like some people, it depends. If they have good rationale, it's like, okay, I can see why you think that. That's not too like overly negative or something. I could agree with that. But most people don't have that to offer me. And it's just like, bro, do you just think like good things can't happen to you? Because that's sad, you know, because good things can happen to you. You know, it's hard to tell. And like sometimes people aren't even aware that they're like being plagued with that, like going throughout their life. Like you guys know what I'm talking about. You approach some of your friends, your family, you tell them, yo, this Bitcoin shit, this is the bomb. And then they're like, yeah, nah. Because what's really happening and what's going on is they've never really experienced a successful investment. They might have bad experiences with investing. They might got wrecked. Lots of things, man. But it's like if you never were successful in your life, would your first like thought be maybe I could be successful in this business venture, in this investment? No. You know, the sad thing is like success begets success and failure, unfortunately, begets failure. So like when I hear bear case scenarios, I'm like, okay, what can you show me? Like what data can you present to me? What's your thought process? Like how can you substantiate your claims? And if they can't, then I'm kind of leaning towards the fact that like I think you just don't believe in yourself. You know? 23 people, what's up? What's up? What's up? Sorry, guys, I'm missing some comments. I got to wrap it up. Hit me when you're ready to move from Cali to Vegas. I can get you approved for a new home, and we have 100% financing product. My self-shill is over. Sorry, Dub. Oh, that's tight, man. Thanks. Appreciate it. It's hot as hell in Vegas, but I can't stop. I gotta stop complaining about that. My girl's like, you complain about Vegas weather too much. But I appreciate you, man. Hey, who knows? I might take you up on the offer. What do you think about aluminum as a metal to invest in? Bitcoin mining is taking over as the best way to use surplus energy, which means less aluminum being smelted. I don't know specifically. I mean, I have like ideas and theses on some things, but there's definitely more to explore. I haven't looked at individual metals specifically, other than like precious metals like platinum, silver, gold, palladium, maybe. I don't know. You know, it'd be interesting to see. But like in my coming in the forthcoming, what do you call it? What's that shit I said? Communities, locals channel. I want to like talk about that and get suggestions, look at different industries, like talk about, okay, this industry's projected to grow this amount over this time frame, like that kind of stuff, and like break it down where we can have like meaningful conversations, because the buck doesn't end with crypto. It can, but it doesn't have to, because I keep saying, like, you guys could be crypto enthusiasts or you can be investors, and investors are fluid. Investors can move, they adapt. The game don't got to be over. You know what I'm saying? Hey, 25 people, what's up? What cryptos do you think will go to zero after the next huge crash in regulation? Oh, I don't know. See, that's the thing. I don't really care. You exit out, you get like keep a percentage in, like the biggest and most substantiated and accepted crypto, Bitcoin. So most likely you're limiting your risk of that happening, because Bitcoin's probably not going to go to zero. Like others might, Bitcoin won't. And then you take the rest and you transition that into other things. And then when the next cycle comes around or the low happens, you look around and say, okay, what hasn't gone to zero yet? See, so you remove that guesswork. People who hold into the bear market got to deal with that. See, that's the benefit of doing it how I'm suggesting, but not financial advice. Floor prediction, 0.25 ETH. Floor now is 0.06. Good. I like that. That'd be a good little bump. Hello, sir. I tried to mint a 0.1 ETH JPEG and the gas fee is 2.2 ETH. Holy shit. That's the thing. I was thinking about, see, this is the thing. You guys talked about how I'm planning on like the gas thing. I'm thinking about like, okay, so I have ETH tokens like ERC20s and I have ETH. And right when everyone's going to want to sell, ETH gas fees are going to spike hard. So like, I'm typically not a fan of keeping coins on exchange, but in the event of that happening, I know it's coming. Does it make sense to keep ETH and ERC20s on exchanges? Then you're having the risk of counterparty risk, you know, like it's the give and take. It's either get murdered in fees or maybe lose your funds. I hate that I have to choose this. These are the problems I deal with. Yo, Dub, Wolfpack, bags are getting heavy. Mate, would you ever share your portfolio percentage allocating running into this part of the cycle? Would be great to compare. I mean, I just keep it like, I mean, it's not like I don't have it nailed down like to the very, it's like an idea. I'm right now like 26% Bitcoin. The rest altcoins. I'm thinking maybe I might level the rest off, dump it into an altcoin. I'm not sure. It's a couple percentages, 10%, whatever. Maybe I will. I don't have it like right up in front of me because it's like 30 coins. It's like a lot of coins. I've been trying to actually get it down. But maybe that's something I'd share in my locals community, you know. Let me know, guys. Would anyone join that? Is it worth my while? Because I'm not over here trying to do stuff that's not worth my while. You know what I'm saying? Feeling a little concerned with my alts as Bitcoin dominance threatens to take off. Got away selling versus holding BTC pairs. Hard choice for me. Oh yeah, I mean, do you have any BTC? That's why I like to have a little bit of each, right? Because Bitcoin typically takes off first. We know this, but if your goal is endgame, alts should eventually take off and should take off much more. You know. Okay. I want dub community. Okay, cool. Anyone else? Can I get some hands? I'll still keep this. I'll still keep this channel. We'll still talk crypto here. It's just that the other one might go into other things as well. Other opportunities. Okay, guys, it's hour 41. This is Crypto and Coffee. I do this every Sunday, 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I also have a second live stream on Wednesdays, 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for my international homies. Loosey goosey kicking it. Bitcoin's running back up again. Like the 4-year cycle suggests, that means that towards the end of the year, we should have a lot to celebrate about. And hopefully, a lot of you have a lot more money than you do now. But until next time, guys, it's Dubdigital. Talk to you later. Peace.